Kum Kee is well known for providing high quality and high flavor content in their products, and this sauce is no exception. Hoisin sauce is an extremely common condiment frequently used in Chinese cuisine. Despite the fact that the name Hoisin means seafood in Chinese dialects, the ingredients feature no seafood at all. It is almost exclusively used to dip, flavor, and marinate meats. Although the origins of this beloved sauce are unknown, Hoisin sauce is easily recognized by its dark, viscous appearance and mixture of both sweet and salty tastes. Its most prevalent ingredient are soybeans. What makes Hoisin sauce so popular and versatile is the fact that it can be used in a variety of ways. In the simplest way, in Cantonese cuisine, it is often used as a dipping sauce for meats. Similarly, it can be a dipping sauce for the well-loved Chinese dumplings, regardless of the filling. As you can see, there are 24 servings per container, and each serving has 90 calories. Each serving also includes 18 grams of added sugar, which comes to 36% of your daily value. As a marinade, it frequently gets used with barbecued pork or the popular dish Peking duck. Though it is traditionally popular in Chinese cuisine, it is also used in Vietnamese cuisine, particularly with Vietnamese pho. Even with so much flavor, healthfulness and quality of the product are not sacrificed. Kum Kee's Hoisin sauce is both non-GMO and gluten-free, making it perfect for people who have those concerns. The serving size is about 2 tablespoons, which is often the amount that will be used during the cooking process to flavor whole dishes or to marinate meats before cooking them. As a general rule, Kum Kee's Hoisin sauce can be used in stir-fries, marinades, for steaming, or almost any other kind of cooking where you want a lot of flavor. This includes most meats and barbecue, even outside of Chinese cuisine. With Hoisin sauce, a little bit goes a long way. This Hoisin sauce is of the utmost quality, both in flavor and in the ingredients used. It will add the precise flavor you are looking for, and that will take your favorite dishes, Asian or otherwise, to the next level. Don't wait any longer to improve the flavor of your food. The ingredients in this Hoisin sauce include sugar, water, soybeans, salt, sweet potato, cornstarch, sesame seeds, garlic, wheat flour, chili pepper, spices, caramel color, acetic acid, and other colors and flavorings. I love that this Hoisin sauce has a very long shelf life. It lasts about 2 years. After opening, be sure that you refrigerate it for the best quality and long-lasting flavor. Now I'm going to open up this Hoisin sauce to show you the color, texture, and consistency. Under the lid, you'll find a seal for freshness. Now I'm going to pour some out so you can see how it looks. It has a really nice dark brown color, not too runny, and it doesn't smell too strong, but it definitely has a bit of a soybean smell and smells kind of sweet and sugary. I think this would go really great with some meats, some rice, as a marinade, or even as a dipping sauce. I hope you'll try it out.
Enjoy. Bye bye.